everyone! Today I want to share a plugin that can massively improve the realism of your models, Z-Fi Floor Generator and Z-Fi Chamfer. When doing interior design, if we only use flat floor textures, like these built-in ones, we often feel that the lighting and shadows look a bit fake, right? Well, this plugin helps us generate 3D geometry with actual thickness and realistic gaps. Look, it has real shadows now, right? In this video, I'll walk you through a hands-on demonstration, from installation to actual use. We'll go through the whole process. Alright, first, let's look at how to install the plugin. We go up here to Extensions, open it, and use Install Extension. If you purchase and download it using my Gumroad link, you'll get an RBZ file. So you click on it, select Install, and it will install it for you. Once installed, remember to enable it. After you select and install it, it's done. The icons will then appear on your screen. If you don't see these two icons, you can go under Extensions to find them. Or you can simply right-click to find Z-Fi right over here. So once you open it, the first thing you'll notice is its clean and modern UI design. In the top left corner, you can toggle between dark and light modes. It supports English and traditional Chinese. Personally, I'm more used to using dark mode. Let's draw a random plane to test it out. I'll reset everything to 0 first using the reset button. Then let's draw a plane. I drew a pretty large plane here. You just select the face first and then pick your pattern. There are 12 different pattern styles you can choose from. It even lets you select more complex ones like interlocking arcs or different wood patterns. You just click to switch. Also, it allows you to configure things like board size. You can adjust this with Live Preview. The dimensions are all in real-world scale. And you can hit reset. Using the sliders means you don't have to type in numbers. Of course, you still can if you want to. Since it's a real-time preview, wherever you drag the slider, the model updates instantly. It saves a lot of time. Thirdly, you can take a look at the tools down below. You can set things like the board thickness, its direction, and the gap spacing. You can adjust the gaps and make them wider. It even allows you to set different random values. If you want to create a distressed or chipped look, finally, you can apply different materials to it. You can set the texture rotation to 90 degrees or change its scale. And here you can set different materials. So it's very straightforward, basically out of the box ready. And once that's set, you're good to go. Down here, there is a setting for the overall UI scale that you can adjust freely. Besides that, we also have another tool called Z-Fi Chamfer. We'll use this cube again. When you open it, you'll see it also has different interface themes and language options. This one is super simple. You can directly select your edges. The usage is pretty similar. It basically gives you an interface like this. You can choose whether you want a chamfer or a fillet, then hit apply. After that, it will apply to your selection. For the fillet mode, when selecting edges, you might need to select continuously or use the loop feature. Then apply the fillet. Then hit undo. So by combining these two tools, you add a lot of depth and realism to your models. It makes your renderings pop much more. You can achieve this effect. So I highly recommend giving it a try. You can purchase it, or there's basically a trial version available too. You can use the trial, and if you like it, grab a copy.
All right, thank you everyone. Overall, the best part is the real-time preview feature. The operation is very accessible. What you see is what you get, which saves you a massive amount of manual work, like manually drawing floor split lines or using standard floor materials, like this kind of material. If we look at the built-in ones, they are relatively flat by comparison. Or take this built-in wood floor. It just looks too flat. Okay, so definitely check out this tool. If you're interested in this plugin, I've put the link down below. It's in the description box. And just a quick reminder, if you use my promo code, you'll get a discount. There is a $5 off promo code available. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the bell. See you next time. Bye.